In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image placeholders in Google Slides. This is a fantastic skill that can really enhance how you create presentations, making them not just aesthetically pleasing, but also easy to update and manage. So, let's dive in and make this process simple for you. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply go to your browser and type in slides.google.com. This will take you directly to the homepage of Google Slides. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you're already logged in, the Google Slides interface should appear almost immediately. If not, enter your credentials to gain access. Once you are in Google Slides, you'll be on the homepage where you'll see options to create a new presentation. Here, click on either the blank presentation button or select a template if you prefer something with a pre-designed format. Do whatever suits your project best. Next, find your way to the top menu bar where you will see the slide option. Go ahead and click on it, then select Edit Theme from the drop-down menu. This is where we'll set up the image placeholders so that you can use them consistently across your slides. Clicking Edit Theme will open the Slide Master view. This is an incredibly powerful feature as it allows you to control the design and layout of all your slides at once. Now with the Slide Master open, the next step is to click Insert from the top menu. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to go down to the Placeholder option. Click on this and you'll see a secondary menu pop up. This is where you can choose the type of placeholder you want. For this tutorial, we'll select Image Placeholder. Clicking on this option allows you to draw an outline area on the Slide Master, specifying exactly where images should appear. Go ahead and draw the shape or size of the placeholder on your slide. Once this is done, you can exit the Slide Master View by clicking the big X or selecting the Close Master View option. As you go back to your regular slide view, you will now find that the image placeholder is ready for use. In your presentation slides, you can now click on this placeholder to add your chosen images quickly and efficiently. There you have it, you've successfully added an image placeholder to your Google Slides presentation. This not only saves you time, but also aids in maintaining the consistency and professionalism of your presentation slides. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this technique as helpful as I do. Happy presenting!